mother of Jerry Bushukha called me and said my child was kidnapped for too long. Police are not doing anything. I took my phone and I called General Sbiya. I said the mother is looking for a child. Please, let's make sure this matter is resolved. Why did I take a phone and call? It's my job as a public representative. When you bring complaints to me, I take them straight to the police where they belong. Any matter, bring it to me. I will deal with it because that is not corruption. I repeated that when we were in Kgoshima-Mpuru, when I was telling that criminal Matlala that please talk to Jerry Bushukha's mother because she's looking for a son. So do not be scared. Do not be intimidated by those who think they can destroy us. These are small kids. They want to know us. They must go and ask Donald Trump who we are. Then they will know what they are dealing with. Agito dila le magogorwana. Ke dila le banna bo Donald Trump ka Oval Office. Wena o busy ka Twitter o bolela nonsense. Re ka officing ya EFF ya Tembisa o ka tsule re boletse ka wena ka re a o selo o ta khwa o se selo because you talk about things you know nothing about. Fighters, President of Venezuela is still kidnapped in America by Donald Trump. Donald Trump is a criminal who went to abduct the president of Venezuela because he wanted to steal the oil of Venezuela. Today, children and women are being killed in Palestine. Today, he started a war in Iran, and Iran is shashering him. He doesn't know how to get out of that war. He started without a plan. We are with Iran. We are Iran. We stand with Iran. We don't stand with imperialism. We don't stand with America. We stand with the oppressed. We say to the people of Cuba, hang in there. America made you suffer for 67 years. You won't surrender now. Don't succumb to imperialism. Stand up to imperialism. Fidel Castro told us to stand up to America and not be afraid of America. Comrades, this continent shall be one. And when it becomes one, it shall become a powerhouse in the international politics because they are leading us, because we are divided. Once we unite and we become one, America will be defeated. We say to Iran, don't stop until America pays your reparations into your account. Hit and hit hard. Make sure you destroy these evil forces that have cost us life in the history of humanity. Batsamaya, Batunya, Baboma Skolu, Sabana. How can you kill children and want us to be with you when you are killing children? We will never stand with anyone who kills children. Fighters, we are going back to our branches. I was very happy when it was drizzling. You did not run away. It is because you are confirming that there is no rain in the revolution. There is a revolution in the rain. So when we go to register the youth of South Africa, to register the people of South Africa, including those who are discouraged from voting, we are going to say to them, do not be discouraged. The future of South Africa is here. You must make sure that when we live here, we enter every school, every Tibet, every university, every home. We are going to register. I ask these people of our leaders here to ask my son to come and